Okay, so now we will proceed on installing the FITCAMX. So this will be a very quick video. So first we have to remove the TSS cover in here. So just simply slide this one out. There you go. And you'll have the TSS in here. So we're gonna remove or unplug this. And then we're gonna use the wire from, or the harness from FITCAMX. This one. So this is like a piggyback harness. Just plug this, the original one, in here. And then we're gonna plug in this one in there. So this is the power source that we will be connecting to the actual camera. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna tuck the wire, the harness in here. And this one, I think I'm gonna leave this one out here. And I'm gonna tuck this wire in between the windshield and the headliner. Alright, so we're gonna try this one out. And also, let me get this. Alright, yeah, so don't forget to transfer the red orange clips from your original to the new one. Basically, this is the whole camera assembly. So don't forget those clips. You're gonna need those. So as you see here, we have this cut out in here, and we're gonna plug this together. There you go. Okay, so again, it is hanging out on the cutout. And then we're gonna proceed with this. Line it up properly. There you go. Now we can tuck this in here. There you go, guys. As you can see, it is tucked nicely, hidden out of sight. Yeah, it's a clean look on it. So yeah, and then just pair it on your phone and follow the instruction and you're all set. This is nice OEM look.